There ain't no shade back where we're working. Everywhere but where we're working has shade. Shade, 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 no shade. So that's pretty great. What is up, YouTube? Starting a new job today. These beautiful condos. Now, fortunately, whoever designed these is a moron, and the only access technically to get to the backyards is through the house. And so we talked to the neighbors, and they said they're okay if we cut through their yards to get to it. So right now we're working on taking down the fence in the neighbor's yard, and then into the backyard we're trying to get in, and then yeah, then we'll have access. We'll start cleaning it out, demoing, and start getting our material back there. So should go pretty good. Joel's backing in the trailer right now. Whip it. Oh yeah. All right, got our panel cut out of the fence, got some access now, and this is the yard. Real small, but we're gonna make a lot out of it. It's gonna be really nice. I'm super excited. We're putting a lot in this backyard, but it's gonna be worth it. She still have some grass area. She got several dogs, so she'll still have plenty of grass area for them. But we're gonna be putting a pergola back here. We're doing some privacy screens. We're doing some raised garden boxes. It's gonna be a new little water feature. It's gonna be pretty sweet. It's gonna be a lot in a little area, but we're excited to do it. But yeah, first things first, gotta get this place cleared out. So we've got the back all demoed out. Now we're getting started on this front right here. Basically taking everything out except for these liriope grasses. We're gonna be leaving those because they're quite nice and cool. So we're gonna be transplanting a few of them, cutting a few of them in half, spacing them out evenly, and then we'll be putting all new edging, all new rock, or might be a couple new rocks. I think we're doing natural cedar mulch and some lighting, and the front will be done. The front will be pretty easy. The back is where all the fun stuff's happening. Over here for day 2 of this job. We are in the backyard getting started on the raised beds. We're gonna do the raised beds first because we got to fill them with dirt, and so that way once we get the raised beds in, then we can actually kind of be done as far as like running equipment back there. And then we'll go ahead and pour our pad, because our pad will go right in front of our access point. Once we get all the machine work in there done, we'll start getting the pad and the pergola set up. All right, we got our boxes framed out. Got our dirt going in. We're gonna be putting in the last about 8 inches of this with compost. So you can be planting some tomato plants and herbs and whatnot in here. But yeah, we got our stub out for our wires, for our little lights that'll be going mounted up under the trim pieces that'll be on top. Yeah, but yeah, it's going good. It is hot as crap, so we're probably gonna be calling it a day here pretty soon. It's like, I don't know, I think it's like 109 right now, so a little rough. There ain't no shade back where we're working. Everywhere but where we're working has shade. Shade, 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 no shade. So that's pretty great. But yeah, see how much we can get done in the next 40 minutes.